Carl August Picard International. Founded in 1876 by Carl August Picard in the Moorsbach Valley in Remscheid as a grinding shop. Over the decades, the company has developed into a multinational group that today has locations in Remscheid and Monschau, as well as subsidiaries and offices in the US, China and Japan. Shafts and housings, among others, for the plastics, chemical and food industries. Cut to size on a metal saw, blanks are ready for machining. On multi-axial CNC machining centers and profile grinding machines, contours are worked out. The result is, e.g., the characteristic screw profile of the elements. Required inscriptions are applied by laser. Elements, housings and support shafts for extruders are monitored several times during production. As a customer service, complete extruder screws are tested, documented and refitted if necessary. For disassembly, the screw elements are hydraulically dismantled from the shaft with our FD system. Then the shafts are refitted with reusable or brand new elements to be used again in the plastics, chemicals and food industries. For co-rotating twin-screw extruders, Picard also manufactures the corresponding barrels and liners. CAD and CAM work hand in hand at Picard. Thus, the programs for production control as well as simulations of the processing are virtually retrievable and visible at any time. On this basis, the CNC-controlled production of the extruder housing, but also of all other products of the housing, is carried out with high precision around the clock. Fitting and precision are controlled with a 3D measuring machine. As a rule, the housings are equipped with a bore system for tempering. After machining, these systems are sealed by welding. The housings are often equipped with a wear liner, so only this liner has to be replaced if certain wear limits are exceeded. After turning and milling, liners and housings are further processed by honing and eroding. Carefully packaged, Picard's products reach customers all over the world. In addition to know-how and state-of-the-art machining processes, the approximately 450 qualified employees are the most important pillar of the company. To keep it that way, we educate our own staff as industrial clerks, machining technicians, industrial mechanics, and much more. Committed by tradition. Carl August Picard International.
To extruder users, these screw elements are often to be replaced for the reasons such as screw element worn out or changing the screw configuration. But this is a difficult and tedious job. Over a long period of time, there has not been an appropriate tools and equipment to exchanging screw elements. Often, the screw elements are being manually forced out of the shaft by means of hammering or even burning. These methods may have caused damages to these screw elements and shafts, which cannot be seen from the surfaces. And more importantly, high risk of injury to those staff executing this job. With the practical experience and through meticulous research, CA PICARD has invented a machine, namely FD system, which can conveniently and quickly dismantle screw elements with the best protections for your screw elements, shafts, and especially your staff. It is easy to solve the headache of replacing the screw elements. Look, this is the amazing CA PICARD FD system, a hydraulic system with strong power for screw dismantling equipment. It occupies a small area and is movable, which can be set up easily to use when it is needed. When the complete set or sum of screw elements are needed to replace, simply put the loaded shaft into the FD system with the appropriate tooling provided. Then press a few buttons. The replacement task will be done effectively and safely. Let's look at the operations. Firstly, open up the main clamp and V-clamps. Place the loaded shaft onto it. When the shaft is placed into the appropriate position, close the main clamp to hold the shaft tight. Our FD system will easily and safely apply balanced hydraulic pressure to the screw element during the dismantling action. For different extruder models and various shape of screw elements, CA PICARD provides the appropriate tools, including molds and clamps for the dismantling. These molds and clamps are made to give the best protection for the screw elements and shafts. With the concerted effort, the screw elements will be steadily separated from the shaft. Let's look at the inner system of the machine and see how it works. CA PICARD offers a variety of molds and clamps according to customers' extruder models and screw elements, so as to make the dismantling job safely and effectively. In addition to excellent features, the latest version of FD system is designed with PLC control. Safety is fully emphasized. Electrically, all control signals are in DC power, which eliminated any possible electric shock. Mechanically, all the movable clamps are equipped with protective covers. Through strict PLC command, when any of the protective covers is opened, the system will stop. Means no further movement of any clamp nor moving actions so as to provide maximum protection for the staff operating the equipment. In order to fulfill the compliance for different countries, CA PICARD FD system has CE version and UL version, which including CUL. Many FD systems have already installed in countries in Asia, Europe and North America. Are you having troubles on screw elements replacement? Well, imagine how easily and safely the job can be done once you own this equipment. Please do make a clear choice of the CA PICARD Dismantling Machine FD system.